In the past administration, our people felt very much marginalized more than they were ever marginalized. That was the reason that people were agitating for Biafra. But I can say today that we are well integrated into the mainstream of the nation Nigeria. And so we are very grateful to President Bola Tinubu. There will be no need for Biafra again. We are comfortable with President Bola Tinubu. It is not all about appointments. And even if you come to appointments, this minister of works, this minister that the president is using to do works in all the political zones.
Roads are not justice. Why Dave Umahi screamed that Igbo are no longer marginalized is dangerous. They say the Igbo are no longer marginalized. They say roads have healed old wounds. They say forget Biafra. Nigeria has finally integrated the Southeast. But this afternoon, we must ask the question journalists are paid to ask, not politicians. Who defines marginalization? Who benefits from this new narrative? And since when did asphalt become justice? Because if